Hello, friends. Just a second, I need to get a refill. It's C for Crazy Hair Day today. I hope you guys are crazy too. All right, today is our math lesson. We are gonna be on lesson 14. I'm gonna just do a quick lesson. This is gonna be really easy for you guys, but I want you to see it just in case you need some support. So I'm gonna move over to the document camera now, and I'm gonna take my soda mess with me, and I'm gonna show you how we are going to do this. So lesson 14, cut out rectangles A, B, and C. So rectangles A, B, and C. Okay, now they want you to cut them out. That does not mean cut them apart. Okay, it means cut them off of the paper because we are going to be using them. Let me show you how I've done this. I cut out rectangle A, rectangle A, rectangle B, and then I have cut out rectangle C. Okay, I did not cut them apart, friends. I cut them out so I could follow the next instructions. So it says, cut out each row of rectangle A. Well, I have to remember rectangle A, let me pull this up. Okay, what's a row? Remember, friends, rows are horizontal. Rows go east to west, left to right. Those are horizontal. So I'm going to cut out the rows. Okay, cut out the rows. And now it's going to ask me to answer some questions. I have cut out rows. Hold on, let me pull this back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Rectangle A has how many rows? Well, if you need to, you can trim this a little bit. Okay. 1, 2, correct. You are correct. Rectangle A has 2 rows. That was a terrible color. Okay. Each row has blank squares. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each one has 4 squares. So blank rows. How many rows? 2. Of how many? 4. Well, what does that equal? Well, I'm not very good with it, so I'm going to say 2 rows of 4. So 4, which number? How many times? 4 plus 4. Oh, I get it. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay? So now what it wants you to do is go on to letter B, but instead of rows, it wants you to cut into columns. Okay? Now some of you, that's all you do. Some of you, though, are going to go to the back page. Now column C wants you to, on rectangle C, you won't use that until down here. The next one, they want you to cut apart the squares. So rows, columns, but then on this back page, you're gonna cut apart squares and you're gonna build your own arrays. All right, take your time. Sorry, I'm trying to get where the camera is not gonna be weird on my face. Take your time, follow what it says. Remember that rows are horizontal, left to right, east to west. Okay, and that columns are vertical, north to south, top to bottom. All right, friends, happy mathing.